Good. So we'll have you follow me for a couple laps, and then I'll follow you. All right, sounds good. Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're back here at the Ducati Revs Day, and yeah, that was Toni Elias over there. And Toni Elias is on a Ducati Street Fighter, just like us. And well, dream day number 2 is finally here. Toni Elias and me are gonna head out on a session here in the A group. So I hope I can I hope I can keep up with them. Joe is behind us. If you guys didn't see Joe's video, I'll link it up above. Me and Joe ran out. He's on a 998. I was corrected. He said I said it was a 996. He says 998. But we're gonna run out with Toni Elias. Well, I'll try to stay focused. Probably won't be much talking. But enjoy year number 2 out here at Laguna Seca Raceway with Toni Elias on the Ducati Revs event. Huge shout out and thank you guys so much. What an amazing day. Get out here, get warmed up for 1 lap, and then crank it up. See how we feel now. I did put this thing up on tire warmers. So we should have some better heat in the tires. So enjoy the ride, you guys. Here at Laguna Seca Raceway. Way too early there. Oh, buddy. That's like next level shit, Tony. Trying, buddy. Just so crazy. I liked when he was following me. Blame you, buddy. So just to show you the next level, and you know, I'm not gonna, as much as I want to ride with him, and I know this is a Sunday ride for him, his pace is such a crazier pace than mine, but it's just so next level. Thank you, sir, for the tow. That's about all I got in my tank. Woo. Good little session, but crazy to watch Toni Elias get on one of these Street Fighters and ride it the way he is. What a day, you guys. What a day. There's not much in the tank left for me. Whew. But there's a great example of a world champion getting out there on a Street Fighter. Did you see him backing it in and everything? So crazy. So crazy. So, Mr. Elias, thank you so much for putting up with me on a quick little tow. Babe, him on that Street Fighter, backing it into corners, just making me look like shit. Well, guys, tire's looking better. I dropped the pressure just a little bit, but I think that's it for me. I am exhausted, pure exhaustion. So thank you guys for sticking around for another Ducati Revs day here at Laguna Seca Raceway. Laguna, I think, has got one more on the V2, and then I think she's going to be done. But the Ducati Street Fighter V4S. Toni Elias, thank you, sir. It was a great ride with you. I appreciate the tow, but babe, just sitting there watching him was just so next level. So next level. And then he was like, he was respectful. He didn't throw up the peace sign, but I saw it. It's okay, Tony, it's okay. But thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.